of the Committee on Public Accounts on the Bawan Batangas issue. May I respectfully move that we dispense with the calling of the roll. So move, Mr. Chair.
There's a motion to dispense with the calling of the roll. Any second? Second from the members in the Zoom. Second. Duly seconded. Any objections? The chair says none. The motion is carried. COMSEC is directed to acknowledge all the members present, physically present, and the members in the Zoom. Please proceed.
Good morning, Mr. Chair. We would like to acknowledge the Honorable Romeo M. Acop, 2nd District, City of Antipolo. Also joining us via Zoom, we have the Honorable Francisco Paulo Ortega, the Honorable Arturo Garcia, the Honorable Sadi Lagon, and Honorable Roy Loyola. Welcome, Your Honors.
Thank you, COMSEC. COMSEC is directed to acknowledge all the resource persons present in today's hearing. Please proceed.
Mr. Chair, from the Commission on Audit, we have Attorney Patrick Ryan Teves, Director Chona Labrage, Ms. Sharon Guntang, sino? Alfredo?
Oh, Alfredo.
Mr. Alfredo Perez, and from the Department of Interior and Local Government, we have Ms. Kay Antoinette Quizon, Attorney Jordan Nadal, and Attorney Alan Salvatus. From the Government Procurement and Policy Board, we have Mr. J. P. Bareng. From the National Water Resources Board, we have Attorney Enrico Papio. From the Securities and Exchange Commission, we have Attorney R.J. Bernal. From the Bureau of Internal Revenue, we have Attorney John Kenneth Estrella. And from the Municipality of Bawan, we have SB Secretary Noel Bautista, Municipal Engineer Herman Bongaling, Municipal Accountant Lea De Villa. We also have former Local Revenue Collection Officer Marilyn Corona, former Municipal Engineer Sebastian Cabral, former Vice Mayor Romeo Bacong, former Vice Mayor Juan Magboo, former Councilor William Abrahan, former Councilor Yanil Dalangin, former Councilor Veni Brual, and Engineer Paulo Antonio Morales from Aqua Data. Good morning, sirs. Are there other resource persons that we have not called? Can you please come to the mic so we can and introduce yourself so we can acknowledge you properly?
Sir,
yes, sir.
Your name was not called, but this is the first time that you attended this hearing. Please, sir, please identify yourself and your circumstances.
I am Romulo Virana from the Commission Audit, retired already.
Welcome, sir.
COMSEC, please, all those first time that attended this hearing, please have your oath with the COMSEC. COMSEC, please direct the oath of all those first timers.
Please stand up. Please stand up and raise your right hands.
Lahat ng mga bagong dumalo sa hearing na to, please stand and raise your right hand. COMSEC, please proceed.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth before this committee, so help you God? The oath has been administered, Your Honor.
Thank you, COMSEC. Before we continue with the interpellation, and let me just remind everyone that this is now the third hearing of this committee, and we will supposedly focus on the issue about the public plaza, right? Yung issue doon sa public plaza po.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Chairman Acop.
may I ask if there's a representative of Aqua Data Incorporated?
Good morning po, Your Honor.
May I know the name, please?
My name is Engineer Paulo Morales, the concurrent General Manager of Aqua Data.
Engineer Morales. May I also know, thank you. May I know also, Mr. Chair, if we have a representative of the First Bay Power Corporation?
Is there a representative from the West Bay Power? Wala.
How about? Wala.
Wala, Chairman. But may excuse letter lang.
How about a representative of the Comnet Management Corporation?
I think there's none, Chairman Akop, and there's an excuse letter.
They sent a lawyer.
Who's the lawyer? Kindly take a seat.
Good morning, Mr. Chair. I'm Attorney Gerald Briones, Legal Counsel for Comnet, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, may I know if there's are you an employee of Conmet Management Corporation, or were your services contracted by Conmet?
I am not an employee, Your Honor. I was engaged only for purposes of attending today's hearing, Your
Do you
Honor.
have an agreement?
I have a secretary certificate, Your Honor, authorizing me to attend today's hearing.
You have.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kindly submit a copy of that to this to the ComSec.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Chairman Akop. Anyway, as of this moment, there's none from the officials of the Bawan, Municipality of Bawan present today. But of course, they have sent the letter, but we will discuss later on the matters of admin matters, on the absence of all those invited resource persons, especially municipal officials of Bawan, Batangas. And Attorney, you have, of course, you have a secretary certificate.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
But based on our protocols here, Attorney, you cannot answer for on behalf of the company you represent, because law councils are only allowed to be present in the hearing to give legal advice.
I understand, Your Honor.
Especially, you're not also an employee of the Comnet.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Okay, before we proceed with the interpellation, let me read my opening remarks. Good morning, esteemed colleagues, resource persons, and guests. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to our members for attending today's hearing, whether physically present or joining us online. I acknowledge that we are in break and many are actively engaged in the respective campaigns, yet you have given your time to attend this important hearing, especially Chairman Akop and those members coming pa po. Your presence today underscores our committee's unwavering commitment to addressing issues of public financial management and ensuring accountability in the use of public funds. During a previous hearing, we scrutinized the privatization of the Bawan waterworks systems. The COA's findings highlight multiple violations of existing laws, including but not limited to non-compliance with the BOT law or Republic Act 6957 as amended by Republic Act 7718 and the Local Government Code or Republic Act 7160. The privatization process failed to conform to the prescribed requirements under these laws under implementing rules and regulations. The municipality of Bawan lacked an approved list of priority projects for private sector participation, violating Section 4 of the BOT law